Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Hope you are having a blessed day today. Today I'm going to show you how to take a cake recipe and make 3 items from that. Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you to make the cake batter. Cream the fat and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time until all is incorporated. Once that is done, I will be alternating the dry ingredients, which are the flour, baking powder, with the liquid, which are the milk and the essence. The method I'm going to use for this is known as the creaming method. Okay, so to make the crumble topping, I have in here flour and margarine that I'm going to mix together, followed by sugar, cinnamon, and oats. I also add a few drops of water to bring the crumble together. And there you go, crumble topping. Now setting up the pineapple upside down cake pan. What I did, I greased the pan and lightly dusted it with flour. I took a piece of greaseproof paper and cut it to the circumference of the cake pan. Then I would sprinkle sugar at the base, followed by pineapple slices. What I'm going to place in the center of the pineapple slices are red cherries. On these 3 cupcakes, I'm placing the crumble topping. These here I'm going to bake by themselves and then pipe the buttercream 3-tone on them. I will be filling the pan 3/4 of the way. So you're going to bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So for the pineapple upside down cake, I would bake this between 30 to 45 minutes, and these I would check them in 15 minutes time. To know, however, when the cakes are finished, once I take a skewer and place it into the cupcakes or the pineapple upside down cake and it comes out clean, that's a good sign. Or once they remove themselves from the sides of the pan, that's also a good sign to know that they are finished. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you are on YouTube. And if you're seeing this on Instagram, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next video.